In this video, I will talk about a free tool to generate 3D animations from text prompts using AI. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. There's a new AI tool that can make 3D animations from text descriptions. It's called Moonvalley, and you can use it for free. All you need is a Discord account to get started. Let's see how to use it. Now, click on the Discord link to join the Moonvalley server from its website. Now, those website link is in the description. And so once you've joined the server, go to the New Moon 1 or New Moon 2 channel. Click in the message box and press the / on the keyboard and select the create option. Now I'll fill out the details here, such as the text prompt, style, and duration. Hit enter, then it will push your animation in the queue to be processed. You will also get the ID after it generates your animation. You will get the notification. Just click on the notification and it will take you to the video. You can play it and then download it as well. To generate another animation video, repeat the same process. You can also browse the 3D animations generated by others in the same Discord channel. This is all it takes to generate 3D animations using Moonvalley. If you found this video helpful, then check out more tech tutorials on our channel. Thanks for watching.